We're here on a skate date in Officer Square. Eric's grabbing his skates out of his hockey bag. I didn't even bring my phone with me. We are having a totally unplugged date other than this camera so I can get a cute picture of us.
Are these hard tight enough?
Yeah, I think so.
So it's quite snowy.
I can't see. Quite bumpy.
Woo! Amateur filmmaker over here.
Yeah, that's right.
Eric wrote my name in the snow for me.
We did it upside down.
Yeah.
You filmed it.
Do you have fun skating, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. I said I wanted a fancy chocolate, or a fancy hot chocolate. So we're gonna head across the street to the Provincial, which we think has fancy hot chocolates, and if not, has fancy cocktails. So that's a good alternate. Good, how are you? I had never come here, so I came to the back to explore and look at how much space there is in this booth. This would be so much fun if you had friends and you wanted to like all go, if you had friends, if you and your friends all wanted to go out for like a birthday or a bachelorette party or something. That's amazing, and it's almost like a private room. You can close the doors, so I'm pretty sure that would be so fun. There's like another teal booth back here. This place is super cool. Big fan, big fan. All right, we're just leaving the Provincial and it was really good. That was our first time there and I liked it. I had a salted caramel latte that was good, and then we shared a meat and cheese board and it had a bunch of good stuff on it. There's some things that I didn't like as much, but overall it was probably the best charcuterie board type thing I've ever had. They had prosciutto wrapped melon, which I had heard of, but it was so much better than I expected. We decided that we wanted dessert, but we are doing kind of like a staggered meal. We're gonna go to the Snooty Fox and just get dessert there because we looked at their desserts and they look good. We were like, but there's carrot cake that's amazing right around the corner. I mean, to death.
Hey, why do we call it cheers?
Make it a good one. How is your 25th birthday party so far?
About as good as my 9th birthday over at Kingswood.
Yeah. Are you winning your game of bowling?
Definitely not even.
Were you a better bowler at age 8 or at age 25? You need the bumpers.
Yep, the bumpers, the technical knowledge I had back then, I've lost it. It's all gone.
Rachelle and I are headed to the Fredericton Women's March. We don't really know what to expect, but thought it was a nice winter day to come out, go march for women's rights.
Donc, je vais juste passer la parole pour qu'on pratique un petit peu les chants. Donc, ça va nous garder au chaud, ça va nous mettre de l'énergie, puis on commence la marche juste après.
Gender violence has got to go, hey, hey! Ho, ho! Gender violence has got to go, hey!